The SP100 has been successfully initialized and we're ready to load the work deck. Ensure the 6 carriers are pulled forward from the SP100 work deck to the autoload tray. Ensure the carriers are pushed back until they touch the stop hooks on the far side of the autoload tray. You should hear a click when they are in the correct position. Follow the prompts on the ICS to set up the SP100 work deck. All barcode labels must be visible on the right side to be successfully scanned by the barcode reader. When loading all plates, ensure that well A1 is located in the top left corner. First, we will load the plasticware. Follow the prompts on the ICS. The peptide cleanup plate with plate holder is loaded in position A1. The Wash C solution single reservoir is loaded in position A2. Pour 2 bottles of Wash Solution C into the reservoir and cover with a black plate lid. Label your cleanup reagents 4-well reservoir from left to right with the letters S, A, B, E. Then load the cleanup reagents 4-well reservoir in position A3. Follow the prompts on the ICS to load the reagents. Pour 1 bottle of digestion stop solution into well 1, labeled S. Pour bottles from the front of the reservoir to avoid cross-contamination between wells. Pour 1 bottle of peptide wash solution A into well 2, labeled A. Pour 2 bottles of peptide wash solution B into well 3, labeled B. Ensure that wash solution B does not splash into neighboring wells during loading. Pour 1 bottle of peptide elution buffer into well 4, labeled E. Cover the cleanup reagents 4-well reservoir with a black plate lid. Place the sample prep plate in position A4. Cover with a clear plate lid. Follow the prompts on the ICS to load 4 intermediate plates in position A5. Ensure that well A1 is in the top left corner for all 4 plates. Follow the prompts on the ICS to load the intermediate plates in positions B2 and B3. Place the peptide collection plate in position B5. Next, we will load the tips. Place 1 stack, which is 4 racks of nested conductive tips in position C2 to C5. Verify that there are a sufficient number of tips in positions D1 and D2. Now, we are ready to reconstitute the trypsin. Keep the trypsin lyc vials and enzyme reconstitution solution on ice at all times during trypsin reconstitution. Ensure the chiller unit display reads 4 to 5 degrees Celsius. Add enzyme reconstitution solution to 1 vial of the trypsin lyc protease. Pipette up and down 2 to 3 times to mix. Repeat for all 6 trypsin lyc vials. Pipette the solution from each of the 6 reconstituted trypsin lyc vials into row A of the trypsin reservoir. Cover the trypsin reservoir with a black plate lid. Place the trypsin plate on the chiller unit. Ensure the A channel is on the left side. The barcode should be on the right side, facing the barcode reader. Next, we will load the solutions. Follow the prompts on the ICS. Place the controlled dilution solution reservoir into position R1. Pour 1 bottle of controlled dilution solution into the reservoir and cover with a black core lid. The 2 channels are connected at the bottom, so pour into either section of the reservoir. Place the denaturing solution reservoir into position R2. Pour 1 bottle of denaturing solution into the reservoir and cover with a black core lid. Place the reduction solution reservoir into position R3. Pour 1 bottle of reduction solution into the reservoir and cover with a black core lid. Place the alkylation solution reservoir into position R4. Pour 1 bottle of alkylation solution into the reservoir and cover with a black core lid. Place the deionized water reservoir into position R5. Pour approximately 20 milliliters of deionized water into position R5. Do not cover with a black core lid. We have loaded the plasticware and reagents into the SP100. Next, we will prepare and load the nanoparticles and samples.